Welcome to Jobs Edu World. Today we will be discussing on the Combined Medical Services Examination 2023 by Union Public Service Commission, UPSC. Let us start with how to apply. Candidates are required to apply online by using the website upsconline.nic.in. Next, for apply dates. Applications registrations had already been started and will be up to 9th of May 2023 till 6 p.m. Now, we have for the vacancies as in Category 1, we have the Medical Officers grade in General Duty Medical Officers Subcadre of Central Health Service for total 584 posts. In second category, we have Assistant Divisional Medical Officer in the Railways for total 300 posts. General Duty Medical Officer in New Delhi Municipal Council for total 1 post. And General Duty Medical Officer Grade 2 in Municipal Corporation of Delhi for total 376 posts. Now, for the age limit. The candidates should be below 32 years of age. Next, for the educational qualifications, candidates should have passed the written and practical parts of the final MBBS examination. Next, for the application fees, female, SC, ST, PWBD candidates need not require to pay. But for others, it is 200 rupees. Lastly, for the examination scheme. Exam is divided into 2 parts. First part, that is part 1, is of written exam, which will be for 500 marks. That is, there will be 2 papers each for 250 marks and 2 hours of duration each. Then next comes the second part of exam, that is, part 2 will be a personality test for 100 marks. For detailed information on syllabus and overall examination scheme, download the notification given in the description box. Wishing all the aspirants best wishes. Signing off, Jobs Edu World. Thank you.